Okay, class, morning, welcome back. Got 10, math 10. Today we're going to be looking at how to calculate sales prices after we take a discount off of it. And again, discounts are generally expressed in percents. When you see something in the store, you'll say it's 10% off or 15% off. When we want to find that 10%, what they use is you take the amount of money. Say you have something that's worth $100. And they tell you they want you to take off, say, $15. That's the discount price. So basically you're going to be paying $85. Well, to find the rate of discount, whatever money you're taking off, the 15, you look at the original price. What was the original price before the sale? In this case, it was 100. You divide these two, and if you multiply by 100, you get a number 15, which is percent. So rates are percent. Okay? And then when they give you a sale price, they usually put it into a percent. So here we got Jake. He wants to buy a new winter jacket, and it went on sale. Original price was $249.95. Always a little bit less than $300 or $250, just to make it sound cheaper. And it's discounted by 20%. So first thing you do is take that 20% and change it. Change it to a decimal. Okay, everything in percents divided by 100, so it becomes 0.20. Then we look at what our original cost was, $249.95. Our rated discount is 0.20. We take that original price and multiply it by 0.20. So that means we're going to have to pay $49.99 less than the original price. That's the reduction, $49.99. So what's the price going to be now? Well, you take the original price, $249.95, take away that $49.99, and when you go to the cash register, they'll punch in $199.96. That is the sale price. Now, unfortunately, it's not the only thing we have to pay. We've got to pay taxes. That's the taxes in New Brunswick, 15%. So again, change that to a decimal. We always divide it by 100. So we have to take off 0.15. So taking our price after the sale, multiplying it by that discount, or that tax rate, I should say. And this time I need the calculator. $196, right? So our taxes are $29.99. That's our sale price. This is the taxes we have to pay on it. She rings it up. Means we have to add the tax to it. So they'll ask you for $229.95. So the original quote was, well, $250, $249. You get a discount. Take off that discount of 20%, and then add the tax. So there's always two steps here. Take the discount off, add the tax. Take the discount off, add the tax. Next type of question says just finding the rate. Finding the rate. Whenever they ask you for the rate, they're asking you for what percent. What is the percent sale? So here they tell us that the new laptop costs $899.96. The original price was $1,279.96. What is the percent of discount given on the laptop? Well, the first thing you got to do is find out the difference between the original price and the sale price. So the original price is $1,279.96. Sale price is $899. Find the difference. We have a difference of $380. How do we get the discount? Discount. Original price. That's the two we need to find the percent. So the reduction amount is 380. Original amount was 300. The discount was 380. The original amount was 1279. Divide that. In order to get a percent, you have to multiply by 100. Your calculator will tell you that you had a discount of 30%. The sale price was 30%. Always over the original price, okay? Third example, you want to buy a pair of sneakers. Originally they were $89.99. They're on sale for $76.49. What is the rate of discount? What is the first thing you have to do? You have to find the difference between the original price and the sale price. What's the difference between the original and the sale? So we have to subtract it. Regular price, sale price, subtract it, means we're saving $13.50. How much is that in a percent? Well, I take that reduction, I divide it by the original price, the regular price, $89.99. I have to multiply. This is just going to give me a decimal fraction. I multiply by 100 to make the percent. So when I threw that in the calculator and I multiplied it out, I got 15. So the sale price at a rated discount of 15%. Okay? So the only two types of questions they're going to be asking you. Generally is, what is the rate of discount, or what is the price you're going to pay at the cash register? If they ask you for the taxes, you have to add the taxes. If they don't worry about it. So some questions they may ask you, what is the price you have to pay including the tax? Then you have to add the 15%. But if they don't ask you in the question, don't worry about it. Just assume you have an exemption. Chips $2.99 is what you're on sale for, and originally priced $3.79. That's something like Ruffled chips. Usually the $3.99. I think sometimes you can get them on sale for around $3.49 or something like that. But this one's here. There's our original price. That's our sale price. To find the rate, means we have to find the percent. So we need to find the difference first. We take the original price, $3.79, take away the sale price, we're saving 80 cents. How much is that as a rate? Take your 80 cents, divide it by the original price, times 100, and we get 21%. So 80 cents is 21% of the original. That's your sale discount, rate of discount. Enough examples? You're going to have just 3 questions to do. If they ask you for the taxes, it's 15%. Doesn't matter whether you're Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, or Newfoundland now. So just looking at the first one, I won't solve it for you, but just to set it up, He goes to a sports store in Moncton, Remy does, and he wants to buy a tennis racket. The tennis racket is selling for $49.95. His friend Alain works at a competitor store, and the regular price is $55.95. But it's on sale right now, 15%. Alain says that his store offers a better price. Is he right? So what you need to do is calculate what is going to be the price once you take off the 15%. Is it going to be smaller than $49.95 or bigger? If it's smaller, then Alain has the better price. If it's bigger, then the first store that Remy went to is a better price. Okay? Any questions? All right, so the 3 questions are on your lesson sheet. I've put them into your pickup box, and it's referred to as GMF-8 or assignment number 8. Okay? All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.